how to have a jewelry or crafting party to sell your work. Home parties are an inexpensive and fun way to market your handmade jewelry or crafts. If you are just getting started in your business, parties can help you to determine who your target market is, get feedback on your items, and find out which of your items sell best. They also help to generate more sales and contacts. If you don't have the time or space to host a party yourself, find a friend who loves to hold parties to host it. Read on for some ideas of how to have a jewelry or crafting party to sell your work. Steps. 1. Familiarize yourself with the home party concept, particularly if you've never been to parties like this before. Attend some direct sales parties to get an idea of what they are like and learn how to have a jewelry or crafting party to sell your work. 2. Decide what type of party to have. Parties can be formal demonstrations, similar to direct sale companies like Tupperware, more informal gatherings, or teaching parties. At a demonstration type of party, the guests will gather around while you show them various items and talk about each one. A more informal open house party, your craft items or handmade jewelry items are simply displayed around the room and available for sale. Another option is a teaching party, where you show participants how to make items and go through the process. Many scrapbooking and stamp direct sales representatives host parties like this. Use low-cost materials and simple items that are easy to make and are related to the products you plan to sell for this kind of party. 3. Go through your inventory and decide what to bring and what needs to be made for the party. Choose smaller items that are easy to transport and display. Be sure to have photos, brochures, and order forms for items that are too large to bring to the party, and try to include smaller items that show the larger items' colors, finish, and style. Consider inviting other craftspeople to sell their items at the party too. 4. Choose a host for your party or plan to hold the party yourself. It's best to pick people who like to have parties, are comfortable with hosting parties, and well organized. 5. Coordinate with the host to choose a date, time, and location for the party. Go over details and explain what will happen at the party. Go over general ideas like the party theme and decorations, if applicable. 6. Design and print a creative invitation that gives participants everything they need to know about the party. Let them know how items can be paid for and whether you accept credit cards. Make sure the invitation has an attractive logo and graphics, and make an email version of the invitation that is just as attractive. Online invitation sites like Evite.com can make sending the invitation and tracking responses easier. Be sure to include your company website on all invitations for those who can't attend the party but are still interested in ordering products. 7. Help the host and make things as easy for her as you can. Make sure you go over what is expected of the host, including what type of refreshments and seating is necessary. Be sure to reward the host with a gift. 8. Make labels for the products that include pricing and detailed information, such as materials used. 9. Purchase any items that are needed to display your crafts or handmade jewelry. Before your first party, practice by laying the items out in your own home or workspace to make sure you are prepared. 10. Offer information for guests who might be interested in hosting a party in the future. Include incentives like free products or discounts for party hosts.